the holes are too small and I can't insert all the way in. What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. In the last episode, you saw me changing the hood and the bumper, just trying to achieve the somewhat decent fitment. And in this episode, we're gonna, oops. Oh yeah. I gotta be honest, I was not a carbon guy. Probably never will be. But the other day, I just saw this new Morizo GR Corolla. If you don't know what that is, well, here's a picture. First of all, I'm a huge fan of GR Corollas. And when I saw the new Morizo GR Corolla, I just lost it. This is pretty much exactly what I'm doing. All I need is a pair of carbon front fenders. And yesterday, randomly, I saw this post on Facebook. I was still at work. Wasn't even planning to buy it because I was gonna source another pair of front fenders from the dude who sold me the hood. And he wanted a pair of carbon front fenders, and he wanted to source a pair through me because I'm the plug. He gets the carbon one, I get his stock one, everybody's happy. But I saw this beautiful pair of carbon fenders for sale for a really good price on Facebook yesterday. And I spent damn near the entire afternoon talking to the kind sir, asking about the details, asking why he was selling it. Again, I was not even planning to get a pair of carbon fenders, but I was like, you know what, this is a once of a lifetime opportunity. I can just scoop a pair up for $900 and I can get it tonight. So yeah, I went to pick it up last night and I'm about to put them on and see how well they fit. The seller did tell me if it doesn't fit all that well, I can, send it back to him. Though I really don't want to, because this thing looks really good. Hit in the back. Oh man. Oh my God. Okay, what? Bro, what? Brother. Look at the fitment. Oh my God. Bro, the line has never been this consistent. Oh, this is awesome. I'm so happy right now. Yes. Oh my God. Bruh, look. Just look at it. Oh God, this looks so good. Oh my God. Ah. You know what? This has to be modified. All right, now I gotta be honest. The holes are too small and I can't insert all the way in. I'm serious. Let me show you guys some of the details. Really nice work. Like, I can't complain too much about this. And then you see the cut is not all that perfect, but then again, like from this far away, you can't even tell. Yep, I'm definitely keeping this. My favorite part is this area. The overall design, this line matches perfectly with my rear over fender.
A few moments later.
Overall, the fitment is actually very, very nice. Better than I expected. This line is the one that plagued me the most. Even though there's still a little imperfection down here. It's kind of too close to the hood in this area. And then the gap gets more consistent moving towards the door. but this is fixable. This side is a lot more consistent. The line is damn near perfect. Over here, you might be able to say the gap is a little too large. I can actually open up the mounting hole just a little bit to bring the fender in. That's also not an issue, but hey, I'm liking this. And also, I modified the wheel liner. Inside is the stock wheel liner and the outside is the M3 wheel liner. Don't worry, this section is not done yet. I need to trim the side skirt a little bit down this line so I can trim this one inward and then tuck this behind the side skirt. Even though this gap over here is a little bigger than I would like, but looking at this line, it's actually pretty consistent. And looking this way, man, I really can't complain too much. I'm pretty sure with some adjustment, I can, close this gap up and just make the overall fitment as close to perfect as possible. So I think this might just be the final form of my F31. Man, honestly, let me know how you feel about this. Let me know if you would do the same, because I was never a carbon guy. If I didn't come across the deal, I would not get a pair of carbon fenders. I still think the OEM look is cleaner, but honestly, I'm liking this, surprisingly. I'm about to say something really controversial. Don't cancel me for this, but one of the reasons I did not like carbon fenders is I feel like it gives huge G35 and G37 vibes. I'm sorry for the discrimination. We don't do this here. It's a love and peace and respectful environment in my channel. So it's just, again, I don't even hate G35 and G37s. I gotta be honest. They're great cars, especially for drifting. But it's just, I don't know. It just reminds me of them. But honestly, at this point, it's growing on me. The fenders have been on the car for at least a week now, and I really like it. Also, if you'd like to know how to modify your F80 fenders for the F30, here's the video that I made. Also, the link is gonna be in the description below. Let me know if you like this combination. Let me know if you like the carbon fenders. But like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video where I'm going to install the rear over fenders. Peace.